Hello everyone, welcome to our video. In this video we're going to talk about our subwoofer. This is a peak 800 watt power subwoofer by Seventour. We're going to unbox it and also show you how to install and see what's inside the box as well. Alright, let's get to unboxing. Okay. It comes with the main subwoofer, which has the It's got the logo, the spider shape. It's got the aluminum casing, all full aluminum. Okay, we'll talk about all these power ports at the end, but let me show you what's inside the second box. It comes with a user manual, which shows you all the necessary things that you need to know. It's got the subwoofer, the RCA audio cable, the power cord, the high to low level converter. Also shows you how to install the power lining and everything. This is the power cord. It also comes with the fuse and smaller clips for installation. Here's the audio cable. Here's the high to low level converter, which we will be using later. Let me open it up and show you guys. The TD22 high to low level converter. It's got the gain and everything. It also comes with this small diagram for the TD22. Here's the power cord that you can use if you don't want to use the TD22, but that really depends on how you want to install your subwoofer. And it's got all the screws and the small brackets for installation. And finally, we got the remote control that you can use to control the volume and gain and everything. Okay, since we're done with the unboxing, let me show you guys how to install and talk about these ports and installation. We got all these ports at the back. Kind of looks overwhelming, but nothing to worry about. We start with the power cord. It's a long cable, and it also comes with this port over here, right? But let me talk about the installation part first. So you match the grounding to grounding, rem to rem, and the power. Plug it in and tighten the screws here. Once you're done doing that, we take our TD22, the high to low level converter, and we use this blue wire and the power cord and make a connection with the TD22 like this. You make this kind of connection. Once you're done doing that, we need to plug in this port of this wire like this. Okay. Alright, once you're done connecting this portion of the wire goes to your battery. And now if your battery cannot be connected with this sort of terminal, we also provide these so you can actually use according to your scenario. So now you have to look at your stock power port for your stereo. This is what it usually looks like. So you'll have to look at the main wiring in the TD22. As you can see, we got the power, the SS3, the grounding, and all these wires. You just make connections with the TD22. Now this audio cable here. One of the connections for the audio cable goes to your TD22, and the other one goes to the subwoofer. Once you're done doing that, your installation is complete. That's all there is. Let's suppose you don't want to use TD22. We also have this wire that you can use for here, but if you use this, you won't be able to use the TD22 anymore. This kind of connection won't be needed, so we'll just be using this. But not many people use it, so if you're going to use it, you just make sure that you won't be able to use both of these together. And the final touch is for this remote control that you can plug in here like this, and then you can route this or feed this to your convenient position where you can control the volume. Now let's talk about these here. You can also use these according to your preference and use the low pass, boost for the bass, and the gain input. That all depends on how you want to use your subwoofer and what kind of music preference or the volume preference that you want to do. But yes, you can use these to set your music preset according to your needs or your preferences. Okay, yeah, I also forgot to mention, this is for the grounding. That also goes with the power. So yeah, once you connect this is for the positive terminal and this is for the grounding. All right, now that we are done with everything, let me show you some of the results. We haven't plugged it.
Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. É desse jeito, é desse jeito. Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito.